Hi guys, welcome back to the vloggy vlog. So my name is Kadisha. For those of you that are new here, I apologize for the noise in the background. I'm currently at the bus stop waiting on the bus to go downtown to Union Station. I'm going to meet Kamisha and Nakisha, and we are going on a girls trip this weekend. So we're heading to Windsor, then we're heading to Detroit. We have a fun weekend plan. We have a beach party to attend, a walking tour to attend. It's gonna be great vibes. Hey! Thank you. This guy. We're twinning. So today is Saturday and we are in Windsor. Right now we are heading to Detroit for a day filled with adventure. We're going to be taking a walking tour. Last night we arrived in Windsor around 12:30. The train got delayed a bit. The ride was really long. So today I'm looking forward to the adventures. Reach down in the truck. Reach down in the truck. I love French toast too.
Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm.
For me, can I have the 2 eggs with French toast and bacon and the egg over hard?
Anything else for you guys?
Can I also have a cup of tea? Like, what are the options?
For the you want hot tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
What are the options
we
you
have?
have?
One.
Which is?
I'm not sure.
Is that the probably orange pico?
Oh.
I like these. It's better than carrying the. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Can I get syrup?
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Started our walking tour. We are in this beautiful park. Has a nice waterfall. So now we are heading. This part is called the Marcius Park. Marcius Park. Yes, so we are on our way. We're gonna be heading into this building here.
It's a picture here.
So this building here, first the water feature is by the same company called Web Technologies, and this is actually down for a year. So those are all fine-tuned nozzles. Yeah, otherwise, yeah. Couple of miles.
Oh, the pub?
The quality was nice.
Oh,
Pigeon.
pigeon.
I hate it. Me too. Me too.
Did a nice job. So Penobscot is named after a tribe of Indians in Maine. Yes.
And it smells good.
So, like I said, this was a bank, and designed by Workwell. There's a lot of stories about this. Like I said, it opened in the 1920s. Stainless steel, which you can see, Union Trust. That was the original name of the building. So these elevators are, about 100 years old almost. And the story was that during the 1960s, they had remodeled this place and they put a drop ceiling in. When you were doing all your secret confidential banking business, because everything was in cash in those days. So I'd like to point out a few of the features. Oh, they said, well, big old fist is not really our thing. But our mayor, Coleman Young, said, yeah, that's our thing. We want to get that fist. We want to point it aggressively at candidates.
Anyways, we're enjoying the tour so far.
The guides are super nice.
Yeah, the tour guides, they're amazing. We're just walking around downtown Detroit. We saw a lot of different buildings, some cool features, statues, everything. So it's actually good. Earlier it was cool, now it's really hot. So the weather is nice.
Right here, this is called the Athenaeum. Athenaeum means gathering place in Greek. We're going to take a break in here. There's restrooms. We're going to sit down for a few minutes and move on. But this used to be the Ferry Seed Company. So coming in and sit down for a minute.
Yeah, you really need a break. You can sit anyway? Okay.
Straight ahead.
Oh, needed this break, right? We got our water bottles. I drank a lot of water. Well needed. Now we're taking a break.
That says, fashion lives in the eyes of the,
You caught, yeah.
I wanted to take a picture.
Oh, look, LinkedIn.
So across the street is a place called Downtown Louis, which used to be a strip joint, but now is a steakhouse. Across the street here.
So this is the end of the tour. It lasted for about 2 hours and a half. I am so tired. Really, really tired. I had to get my water refilled. Yeah, it was a really good tour, but I'm tired now. Learned so much, seen so much. Now she's taking photos. Apparently the streetcars are free, so we're going to get on the streetcar now and then just continue exploring downtown Detroit. This is Cookie Monster. Tastes so good. The ice cream here is delicious.
Some taste is cookie. It is to die for.
All this here. At this point,
Is that in the ice creams?
I'm still deciding.
I think I'm gonna. It tastes so good. This is the apple crumble or something.
No,
Peace crumble.
It tastes real good. I'm gonna get a scoop of the Cookie Monster.
So take a walk down here.
Kamisha. No, look at all of us eating dessert. Look at you, Nakisha. Look at how big that is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My indecisiveness
There you
really
go.
thanks
There
you.
you go.
So that's a wrap for Detroit. Honestly, I really, really like down here. I like the accents. I do. Nakisha, on the other hand, and Kamisha, they think the accents is just eh. But for some reason, I'm fascinated by the accent. The other thing I noticed about Detroit, they have a lot of these paddle pubs. Like, the amount we've seen today is crazy. And then another thing, the scooters. I don't understand how people can just park the scooters like anywhere, literally anywhere. They can park the scooters anywhere on the street. That was weird to me, but we just had good cakes, and oh my god,
The cake was good, even though we didn't eat no cake.
we didn't eat a cake. We had cinnamon bun, we had ice cream, cookie. It was really good though. Oh yeah, I forget to tell one another thing too. Everybody always shouting, and downtown, downtown have a lot of crackheads. Every corner you turn, I feel like if I look at somebody too long, they're gonna shoot me.
It's not that serious. It really is. Don't take her word for it. It was fine.
I know that's how I felt, but overall, minus the people shouting and the crackheads, I would give it maybe an 8 out of 10 or a 7 out of 10. You?
The trip was nice. I can't live here though. But it was a nice trip.
Who you would get
Guys,
out of
It's
10?
right over here. Oh. I would say a good 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I take it on the same page. So we're gonna head back to Windsor now, guys. So see you there. Bye. Hi guys. So we're heading to the beach party now.
Hold.
Sorry.
You know what?
Tryna be in my position. My shoes on cause they're trying. Stay on the road when the energy stay far away. Make you stay far away. Just give me love.
I just need a spoon.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. We are about to have breakfast, and then we're gonna head down to the waterfront and just relax for the rest of the day. And then we have to head back to Toronto like around 5:40 this afternoon. This bee just would not leave me alone or the food. We're gonna relocate back inside to the bees.
I'm coming.
We are on our way. Don't know where we're going yet. We're just driving around. This neighborhood look nice though.
The neighborhood, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, then to get the bridge.
Yeah.
Anybody have an idea what this bridge called? Ambassador?
Ambassador.
Oh! Okay. So this is the Ambassador Bridge that takes you from Canada over to Detroit. And over here, we're actually looking at Detroit right now. I can buy myself flowers. This ice cream is really good.
On a scale of 1 to 10, yesterday's or today's?
Today's.
Or should we be heading home?
We got the cookies and cream and caramel crunch. So now we're gonna head home.